Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating exquisite outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Patio garden lawn landscaping is the intentional art and science of harmonizing hard surfaces, lush greenery, and open spaces to create a functional extension of your home. It goes beyond just mowing the grass or placing a few chairs outside. It is about zoning your outdoor environment. The patio serves as your solid foundation for dining and lounging. The lawn provides a soft, breathable carpet for recreation and visual relief, and the garden adds the texture, color, and life that ties everything together. In essence, it is the practice of designing an outdoor room that balances architecture with nature. Investing in professional-level landscaping offers a multitude of benefits that touch on mental health, physical wellness, and financial gain. Firstly, a well-designed outdoor space acts as a personal sanctuary, significantly reducing stress and providing a dedicated area for mindfulness or family bonding away from screens. Environmentally, a healthy lawn and garden help manage rainwater runoff, cool the air around your home, and support local pollinators like bees and butterflies. Furthermore, from a real estate perspective, high-quality patio and lawn landscaping can increase your property value by up to 15%, making it one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can undertake. It essentially expands your living square footage without the need for expensive structural renovations. To make your outdoor space truly shine, you should treat it with the same design principles you use indoors: layering, lighting, and focal points. Start by defining your zones using different materials, such as a stone-paved patio area transitioning into a crisp, edged lawn. Use outdoor rugs and comfortable weather-resistant furniture to create an inviting living room feel on the patio. Incorporate vertical interests with pergolas, trellises, or tall potted plants to draw the eye upward and create a sense of enclosure. Lighting is perhaps the most crucial decorative element. Use a mix of solar path lights, warm string lights over the seating area, and spotlights on your favorite trees to create a magical ambience after the sun goes down. Finally, add personal touches like decorative fire pits, water features, or colorful cushions that reflect your unique style. Choosing the right plants is the key to a low-maintenance yet high-impact garden. For the perimeter of your patio, consider fragrant herbs like lavender, rosemary, or mint, which not only smell wonderful but also act as natural pest deterrents. If you are looking for privacy, fast-growing evergreens or tall ornamental grasses like miscanthus can create a soft, swaying living fence. For pops of color that last through the seasons, perennial flowers such as hydrangeas, coneflowers, and peonies are excellent choices because they return year after year. Don't forget the importance of structural plants like boxwood shrubs, which can be trimmed into neat shapes to provide greenery, even in the winter months. If you have a smaller patio, utilize vertical gardening with climbing vines like clematis or jasmine to maximize your green space without sacrificing floor area. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here is the collection of the top 10 best patio garden lawn landscaping ideas to spark your creativity. One, the Urban Zen Courtyard. This design features a masterful use of tiered wooden planters that create a sense of depth and structure in a compact space. The central patch of vibrant green lawn is perfectly manicured, providing a soft contrast to the clean lines of the timber and the gray stone patio in the background. It's an ideal solution for city dwellers who want a private, high-end sanctuary that feels both organized and natural. 2. The modern geometric oasis. Symmetry is the star of this layout. The long rectangular lawn features professional stadium stripes that lead the eye directly to a minimalist gray lounge set. Surrounded by perfectly squared boxwood hedges and slender white trunk trees, this garden exemplifies modern luxury. It's a clean, sophisticated look that emphasizes open space and architectural greenery. 3. The ultimate outdoor entertainment zone. This expansive design integrates an outdoor kitchen and a high-top stone bar directly onto a cobblestone patio. The unique flowing S-curve border made of golden gravel separates the functional path from the lush grass. In the distance, a secondary circular fire pit area provides a cozy destination for evening gatherings, making this the perfect yard for those who love to host large parties. 4. Contemporary waterfront decking. For a truly unique aesthetic, this design uses a wooden cross deck that floats over 4 symmetrical garden ponds. This combination of wood, water, and aquatic plants creates a tranquil, spa-like atmosphere. The surrounding dark furniture and lush tropical-style foliage make this a modern masterpiece of hydroscaping, where the sound of the small waterfall adds a layer of auditory peace. 5. The sculptural sun-drenched lawn. This backyard uses curved masonry walls and stone-lined garden beds to create a fluid, organic feel. The bright green synthetic turf is shaped into a perfect kidney bean, surrounded by desert-friendly gravel and drought-resistant plants. The inclusion of a stone fire pit and a hammock corner shows how you can pack multiple relaxation zones into one cohesive, low-maintenance design. 6. Secluded wooden bench and fire niche. This design focuses on intimacy and warmth. A beautiful slatted wooden privacy fence features a built-in floating bench adorned with tropical pillows. The small centered fire bowl on the grass adds a focal point for nighttime chats, while the surrounding large trees and hanging egg chair create a cozy forest-like retreat right in the backyard. 7. Multi-level suburban perfection. This classic suburban layout maximizes a large backyard by combining a concrete dining patio with a massive, L-shaped lawn. The clean white edging separates the grass from the stone perimeter, giving the yard a very tidy, finished look. This is a great example of a family-friendly space that provides plenty of room for kids to play while maintaining a sophisticated area for adult relaxation. 8. The vibrant floral frontage. Curb appeal is the focus here. A circular stone-edged garden bed serves as a colorful island in the middle of a pristine front lawn. With a mix of bright yellow tulips, purple shrubs, and a striking red Japanese maple, this landscaping proves that your front yard can be a breathtaking gallery of seasonal colors that welcomes you home every day. 9. Serpentine stone borders. This garden uses a beautiful wavy stone border to create a sense of movement along the edge of the lawn. The contrast between the deep green grass and the multicolored river rock mulch creates a rich, textured look. The central island bed with a single ornamental tree provides a perfect focal point that breaks up the lawn without cluttering the space. 10. Minimalist desert zen. In this design, less is more. A perfectly shaped patch of green is surrounded by a sea of smooth gray river rocks and larger boulders. The central feature, a white cactus sculpture set in dark charcoal gravel, adds a touch of modern art to the landscape. It's a high-contrast, low-water usage design that looks incredibly sharp and requires very little upkeep. Creating the perfect patio garden and lawn is a journey of bringing your personal style into the great outdoors. Whether you prefer the structured lines of a modern geometric garden or the flowing organic shapes of a stone-bordered lawn, the goal is to create a space that makes you feel at home the moment you step outside. Remember, great landscaping is a living investment. It grows more beautiful with every passing season. If you enjoyed these patio and lawn transformations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of the 10 designs we featured today was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas. Click the bell icon so you never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one.